Hey guys, it's Yoav from PingBell. If there's one product by Google that I really love, it's Google Forms. It's such a great product. It makes it really simple to create forms, for lead collection or for surveys, for a multitude of applications, whether it's for business or for personal use or for family. But the one thing that really drives me crazy is the fact that there are no notifications for Google Forms. I mean, it's really hard to know exactly when your form was submitted. Well, that's about to change because I'm proud to announce that we've just released a Google Forms integration with PingBell, which means now that from this day forward, you can get free push notifications each time your form was submitted. Now, if you have our PingBell premium plans, not only you can get it, but your other collaborators that have created the form or that have interest in your form could get push notifications each time your form was submitted. So think of, for example, if you're doing a survey for school, for your thesis, or for something like a baby shower, and you want to know when people actually submit your form, instead of sending it and forgetting, after a week or two, oh my God, let's check it out and see if someone submitted my form, you can now get real-time push notifications and saying, hey, woo, you just got a Google Form submission, go check it out. That's what we do at PingBell. Let me show you how you can get it in just a minute. So I have my Google Form set up here, and if you're not familiar with extensions or add-ons, all you have to do is click on this three dots over here and go to Get Add-ons. Now we'll open up the Google Workspace Marketplace where there's approved apps that work and integrate with Google Forms. So all you have to do is search for PingBell and just click on Install when you see it over here. After that, it's installed on your Google Form. So let's go ahead and create a PingBell notification. So my Google Form, yay, got a submission. Now I like the woohoo sound for this. Woohoo! And I'm gonna get create. All right, so now all I have to do is click on add-ons, PingBell, manage notification, click Start. If you haven't connected with PingBell already, it's going to show you a form to log in to your PingBell account and authenticate between, or essentially connect between Google and PingBell. And now all I have to do is find my PingBell. Now I have a lot of them, so let's check it out. My Google Form. Click Connect. All right, now it's connected. All right, so let's see how this works. So I have my Google Form celebration page or counter page. Let's set the counter up. You can drag it in here, drag this. You can actually go ahead and style this and make it really cool. That's a different video. But all I essentially want to see is if this counter goes up immediately once I do this. Google Form has been received. There we go. Submit another response. Boom. So every time this Google Form will be submitted, I will get a push notification and my counter, which I can cast onto any screen, whether it's a desktop, a laptop, a tablet, a mobile phone, or even smart TVs like Android TVs and Amazon TV. You can get this, this page casted onto those screens so that you can see visually how many Google Form submissions you already got. So beyond that, I get push notifications on my phone every time my form was submitted. So right now, all you need to do is install the PingBell add-on for Google Forms from the Google Workspace Marketplace. You need a PingBell account, and you need the mobile app. And then after you have all those three things, you'll start getting notifications each time your forms are submitted. Think how powerful that is. No longer set and forget and actually, coming back to your form weeks later to see if someone actually submitted or not. You can actually know in real time if you're getting submissions, and if you're not getting submissions, to go ahead and remind people to submit your Google Forms. All right, that's it. I hope you enjoy. Thank you.